Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Isa na naman ka-actor ang aton kilalahon sa Bunga Aga. Isa siya sa cast sang ginakiligan nga rom-com series ng GMA, ang Heartful Cafe. Ano ba lang iya karakter diri? Hibaloon ta sa iya, mga kapuso, Victor Anastasio. Good morning, Victor. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Hello, good morning Kate at hello rin sa mga nanonood ng GMA Regional TV Early Edition. Kumusta kayo?
How are you doing, Victor? Kamusta ka?
Very good, very excited. Maganda so far yung feedback ng show at ito excited ako na mapanood na ng lahat kung hindi nyo pa man napapanood.
Victor, bago ka pumasok sa showbiz, nag-start ka as a stand-up comedian. Paano naman nagsimula ito?
Well, ever since I was in college, that was when I started sa stand-up comedy. As usual, pag college ka, alam mo yung mayayaya ka lang ng kaibigan mo, oh, isali tayo sa pa-contest. Ayun, tapos tuloy-tuloy na, and then some of my comedian friends went into TV, introduced me to some people, napunta sa kung ano-ano, at yun, napunta tayo dito sa role na to. Parang magic no? Pero tuwan-tuwa ako at excited na excited.
Yes. Ano ba ang formula para maging isang magaling na stand-up comedian?
Well, dapat observant, I think, observant sa mga napapansin mo, not necessarily napapansin ng iba, di ba? Isusulat mo agad yun para relatable to some people. Or kung hindi man, ma-surprise sila na, oh, napansin niya yun. Ayun, I think is the key.
So how was the transition naman, Victor, from being a stand-up comedian to hosting and then mainstream acting on screen and television? Was it hard for you? Ano-anong mga challenges ang napagdaanan mo?
Wow, na-excite pa rin ako pag naririnig yung mainstream comedy acting on television. Talaga tutuwa ako sa role ko. But then I think the biggest adjustment is being with other people in a scene. Diba? So you're not just alone trying to make people laugh, which makes it easier and at the same time more challenging. Kasi syempre meron kang ibang ka-bounce off and then you react to situations kahit hindi ka nag-acting. So far I've just been absorbing everything and enjoying the process.
And Victor, you are part of the newest offering ng GMA, gabi-gabi, ang Heartful Cafe. Saan ba iikot ang istorya ng Heartful Cafe?
Well, it's a cafe owned by Heartful Henshaw, played by Julian San Jose, and then makikilala niya doon si David Licauco. It just revolves around, si Heart kasi gusto niya masaya lang lahat sa paligid niya, and she's a real believer in love. So she tries to make people using yung zodiac signs and different types of coffee. So it's not just romantic love, meron ding love sa family, love sa friendship, of course, love sa friendship na naging romantic. So any age and even any gender, doon umiikot yung kwento. Different types of love for all types of people. So sakop niya lahat, and then the tone is just very light. Yan. Parang nagkakape ka lang sa coffee shop with your friends. Ganun yung feeling if you watch the show. Sincere show na light-hearted, matutuwa ka. Pero at the same time, makuha kang lessons na. Malungkot yun, pero gets ko. Parang ganun.
Ano naman ang role mo dito, Victor? And anong paghahandang ginawa mo para ma-portray mo ng maayos ang iyong character?
I play si Rocco, who is the master barista, along with Ira, yung katandem ko sa pag-manage ng bar. So kami yung makulit na characters that interact with Heart, and then Ace, and then yung iba pang customers. So yun ang role namin. Paano ko siya pinaghandaan? Well, nanood ako ng mga YouTube how to make coffee para alam mo talaga. And also at the same time, nagkaroon kasi kami ng mga reading. So, how my character relates to, ano ba yung relationship ko with Ma'am Heart, tawag ko sa kanya dito, Ma'am Heart. Ano ba yung relationship ko sa ibang character. So, ganun ako nag-prepare.
Victor, bakit kailangang panoorin ng mga kapuso natin ito? Please invite everyone to watch Heartful Cafe.
Alright, sa lahat na nanonood ng GMA Regional TV Early Edition, kung di nyo pa naman napapanood or pinapanood nyo, tuloy-tuloy lang dahil meron din kami mga guest star dito, Kate, na papasok. So there's really a lot of stories na feeling ko makaka-relate talaga lahat, any gender, any age. At syempre sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga natin to parang si Heart believe in love and friendship and hope again, di ba? Kasi especially in these times, kailangan natin ng pampatawa, pampalight-hearted. So I believe that you will enjoy this. So sana supportan at panoorin niyo Heartful Cafe, GMA Telebabad, 8:50 p.m. after first yaya.
Maraming salamat, Victor. Aabangan talaga namin ang Heartful Cafe. God bless and keep safe.
Thank you, Kate, at thank you sa mga lahat na nanonood. Thanks for inviting me. Salamat.
Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.